Hello everyone, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn about weighted average method under pricing of material. Same question we are solving under weighted average method. So yesterday we have learned about the simple average method. So today we are learning weighted average method. Okay, see the question students. They have given the unit purchased that is related to the receipt. Okay, we have received material from the supplier. So we have to write it under receipt column. And opening balance is given, that is 100 kg of material valued at rupees 100 per kg. Okay, this is unit. This will be the rate. Okay, calculate the amount. That will be 10,000. So quantities issued they have given, that is 250 kg, 200 kg, then 200 kg, 150 kg. So these are the issues. Write it under issue column. Okay, so let us see the solution. Right. So on July 1st, opening balance 100. Okay, quantity is 100. Rate is 100. So amount will be 10,000. So in the simple average method, we didn't write a rate column. So here you mention the rate column also. Got it. So opening balance 100 units at the rate of 100, it will be 10,000. Okay. Next transaction, there was a purchase of 200 units. Rate is 102. It will be 20,400. Okay, now how to write the balance? 100 plus 200, that is 300. Then 10,000 plus 20,400, it will be 30,400. Okay, so after writing the quantity and the amount, you need to calculate the rate. Got it? So this is weighted average method, right? How to calculate that? Just check it. Check the amount. How much? 30,400 divided by what is the quantity? What is the weight here? 300 kg. So 30,400 divided by 300, it will be 101.33. I hope it is clear to you. Just you need to divide the amount, okay, by this quantity. So you will get the rate. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Then after second transaction, on 5th there is a issue of 250 kg. So write it under issue column. Okay, on 5th there is a issue of 250 kg. Now what about the price? You have already calculated the weighted average right here. So you have to take that price, that is 101.33. So after point, take 2 digits. Got it? Make it approximation and take 2 digits after point. So you will get how much? 101.33. Okay. So multiply it. 250 into 101.33. It will be 25,333. I hope it is clear to you. Now, how to calculate the balance? 300 was there and issue was 250. So, 300 minus 250, it will be 50. Clear? Then, what about the amount? 30,400 minus 25,333, it will be 5,067. Got it? At last, you need to calculate the rate. So this is a weighted average method. So calculate the rate based on the weight. That is amount divided by the quantity. So 5,067 divided by 50, it will be 101.34. I hope it is clear to you students till here. Next, on 7th there is a purchase of 300 units at the rate of rupees 105. So mention here on 7th purchase of 300 units, rate is 105. So multiply it. So 300 into 105 will be 31,500. Got it. Now what about the balance? 50 was there in the store. So 50 plus 300, it will be 350. Then what about the amount? 5,067 plus 30,500. Got it. So it will be 36,567. Okay. Now how to calculate the rate? That is 36,567 divided by 350. It will be 104.48. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Let us see the next transaction. After 7, we have on 10th, again there is a purchase of 200 units. Rate is 108. So on 10th, mention under receipt column 200. Rate is 108. It will be 21,600. Now what about the balance? 350 plus 200 will be 550. Then 36,567 plus 21,600. So whenever there is a receipt, you have to add the unit as well as add the amount. So it will be 58,167. So how to calculate the rate? 58,167 divided by 550, it will be 105.76. Got it? Just divided the amount divided by quantity. You will get the rate. Okay, I hope it is clear to you students. On 13th, now there is a issue of 200 kg. Now write it under issue column 200 units. What about the price? Price you should take here. What is the price available? That is 105.76. So 105.76 multiply it. That is 200 into 105.76. So make it approximation. You will get 21,152. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Next, what about the balance? 550 minus 200, it will be 350. Then, what about the amount? 58,167 minus 21,152. It will be 37,015. Now you calculate the rate. That is 37,015 divided by 350. It will be 105.76. Got it? So this will be the rate. I hope it is clear to you. Next, on 18th, there is a issue of 200 kg. So again on 18th, there is a issue of 200 kg. Write it under issue column. Now what about the price? So price you have calculated here, that is 105.76. The same price will be taken here. Okay, then 200 into 105.76, you will get 21,152. Clear? Now, what about the balance? 350 was there and we have issued 200. The remaining will be 150 and the amount 37,015 was there. Out of that, what is the amount? 21,152. So, deduct it. You will get 15,863. So, we have completed till 18th. Next transaction on 20th, we have purchased 100 units at the rate of rupees 110. So write it under receipt column 100 units. Rate is 110. It will be 11,000. Now what about the balance? I hope you understood till here. So you can tell now what is the balance. How to get? 150 plus 100. It will be 250. Okay, what about the amount? 15,863 plus 11,000, it will be 26,863. Now what about the rate? How to calculate it? Amount divided by the quantity. 26,863 divided by 250, it will be 107.45. So we have completed till 20th transaction. Next we have on 25th 150 issued. So on 25th, write it under issue column 150. So rate which one you should take? The last rate is 107.45. So 107.45 into 150. So you will get 16,118. So after making the approximation, please write the amount, that is 16,118. Okay. Now whatever the balance, 250 minus 150, it will be 100. Okay. Then what about the amount? 26,863 minus 16,118. So it will be 10,745. Okay, now at the end of the month, we need to calculate the closing stock. How to calculate the closing stock? Okay, whatever the last transaction, that is on 25th, the last transaction, what was the unit remained? That is 100 units. So mention 100 units. And what about the amount? That is 10,745. I hope it is clear to you, students. So if I say the difference under weighted average method, just you need to divide the amount, okay, with the quantity. So amount divided by quantity, you will get the rate. And whenever you issue, take the price which was there in the stores. Okay, after calculating the average, how much rate you will get, no, that will be the issue rate. I hope it is clear to you, students. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.